Hello, welcome, new friends. This is Jenny from China. Welcome. We are an ISE for our new products, and our products is table display. It's used for advertising, menu display, phone charging, for wireless phone charging also. It's battery powered, and it's screen to show video image, and also have other function for menu display, and for a custom to order food. And also have other function is call waiter. If some customer waits on the table, they want the servers, they can press the button, and waiter can get the information on the watch, and then they will go to the table to make the servers. So this is a very innovative product for restaurant, hotel, bars, coffee shops. Put on tables to make your place to a high level and make a customer have a good feeling. So if you want more information, you can visit our website, safyd.net. This is our website, and hope to work with you. Thank you.